drumsticks. Old Bay drumsticks?
A few moments later.
Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. Alright, so you guys have seen me use a plethora of different seasonings like Tyler's seasoning. I'm going to be using Tyler's rub. Tyler sent out this rub and I use it. This is Tyler's Meat Palace all-purpose rub and seasoning. So I'm going to be using his rub. You guys have seen me use some of those Cosmos Q seasoning and alcohol. Alright, off. Looking forward to that one. So thank you. And folks have been telling me for years, and when I say years, I mean years, to put Old Bay, on chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna get it seasoned up. Alright, so I'm out of the grill, and today I'm going to be using Tracy. You guys saw me get her started. And I have my chicken. So, I got a family pack of chicken from the market, and, the temperature was at 430 degrees. So we're going to put the Old Bay chicken on. So those are my Old Bay chicken, and of course I have a control for some chicken that I seasoned up the normal way. I'll be back out here in a bit. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see and hear what's going on. We have some drippage. Oh, look at that. Chicken is actually cooking. I'm just going to turn it straight over. Turn them straight over. Alright, looking good so far. Okay. Just in case you were wondering, the thermometer, the temperature there says 402. So we are definitely not at the 450. I was telling you guys about this in another video. It's a little low, but it is also only 40 degrees outside. I am setting the chicken up on its side. You can see some pullback, and we're just about finished there. So far it's been about 20 minutes. And it's definitely hot in here. Usually I have a set of long handle tongs. I just didn't grab them, but they're looking good. All right, so we're back out at the grill, and chicken is still looking fine, looking good. looks like it's getting there. We are getting some char, but we're still not near the temperature. I can look down in there and see that there's still some pinkish, and it's not done yet. All right, so I want to talk to you guys real fast while I'm thinking about it. One of you guys told me to spin the chimney top hat down way closer to the top of the chimney, and I can attest that I just spun it down all the way down till the top hat touched the chimney, and spun it back off maybe five revolutions, and the temperature on my grill has increased by 20 degrees. So it's sitting currently at 416 degrees. Again, I'm trying to have it run at 450 degrees, and it was 40 degrees out when I started, at least as told by the thermometer on the grill. So let's check these guys out. Touching the thermometer all the way down to the bone, and we're definitely showing that they hit the temp that we need. I wanted them to be a little more charred, so I'm gonna let them sit here for another moment. But what I'm gonna do is turn them around. They smell pretty amazing, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna take 2 of the smaller legs off for my littlest taste tester. Let's see here. Yeah, those are about the same size. For my littlest taste tester, and we'll see what she has to say. All right. So. Wait a minute. Where'd you get that shirt?
You.
Say, look down in the description if you would like to get one yourself.
Look down in the description, and you can get one of your own.
You can order them. All right. So the chicken is hot. You want to wait or you want to eat now?
I'm gonna eat them while they're hot.
All right, go ahead. So the one on the right is, which one is right?
This one.
Perfect. That is the one with the Old Bay on it. The one on the left is the regular seasoning, or one of the regular seasonings I use. All right.
I'm gonna try the regular first.
Okay.
Hot.
You want to come back in a couple minutes?
Yes.
All right.
A few moments later.
All right, so my taste testers have multiplied.
So, Old Bay room seasoning?
Yes.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think I see the difference. Yeah.
Wait.
Dude, wait. All right, so I guess, which one do you want to start with?
Old Bay. Normal.
Regular. All right, the regular one first. Still very
I
hot.
have to cool my hands first.
Mm.
That's what happened last time when I tried to film it. Oh no. I got skin.
It's good. It's like a normal seasoning, so it's
normal. Go ahead, number 2.
It's a little more on the salty side, though.
Probably because it just hasn't gotten in there really well. It's hot.
It's good. I mean, he's right. It is on the salty side, but it's pretty good.
Sorry. It's still hot.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay.
All right. Number 3, you ready to go to the... Take it. You gonna eat that last piece?
What?
It's really hot.
Oh.
All right.
This one first.
You ate the wrong one. Seriously?
I thought we said that this one was Obey and this one was
No.
It looked like normal.
No, it doesn't. Is it good? How it? Well, just be quiet. All right, you two, try the Old Bay one, please.
Wait, this one?
Was normal.
I think the skin on this one is too salty. And like inside, perfect.
Okay.
Tastes like Obey chicken.
It tastes like Old Bay
Yeah.
chicken.
It's not bad or anything, but I'm just used to Obey on crabs, so this is
Oh, seafood.
seafood.
Yes.
Seafood. It's just
Goodness, just leave the top off.
it's different.
Okay.
I like it though.
All right.
The skin is nice and crunchy on both of them.
Good. He's playing with the steam in the light. That's what you get.
It hurt my hand.
Would you guys want it via Obey or with Obey again?
Yeah. Well, I don't know what.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
I had to
This
wait
is
for
Obey.
something.
The Obey one. Yeah.
I think it needs more Obey.
It's way too Obey.
Because if you're gonna say, "Oh, here's some Old Bay chicken," then I don't really taste Old Bay.
Okay.
You try mine then? Because this is salty. Salty?
You ate all the skin off of it, basically. You know you're wrong. Give it back to him. Don't eat any more of it.
Oh. You want it? Yes. Oh.
Come on, try the other one. Don't eat the whole thing. I mean, that's the whole point. Come on.
Oh. Hot.
You guys are tearing it up. I guess it's fine. Well, you are still eating it slowly because it's hot. You guys like the chicken?
Yes.
All right.
I like the normal one.
Like the normal one? Which one do you like more? The normal one or Old Bay?
Normal.
Normal?
Old Bay.
Old Bay?
I don't know.
Yeah. Joy's still out?
Because I think this one's way too salty and this one's just salty.
Okay. So it's way salty and then salty.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Which salty is good, but way too salty is way too salty.
Okay. Do you want some barbecue sauce or something on that?
No.
Oh,
I think it'd like counteract the saltiness a little bit.
maybe with the sweet, right? All right. Well,
The Old Bay one's amazing.
I see.
I like it.
All right.
Do you want your Old Bay?
Let it be.
Just chillax. There's more chicken. Taste tester number. What was that? I said like juices in it. It hurts now.
All right. Well, I guess that. So, do you guys taste smoke flavor? Do you taste? No, not really.
I taste Obey.
You taste Old Bay.
Taste Old Bay and chicken.
I like turtles. I taste Old
I
Bay.
like turtles.
All right. Okay. Well, can you thank everybody for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please give us a big thumbs up and comment. Hit the bell. Hit the subscribe bell.
Well, hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell.
Subscribe if you haven't.
Subscribe if you haven't.
Leave a comment down below.
Leave a comment down below.
And we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.
All right.
Bye.